I'm just saying, bro. What if this is all just a simulation? Wow.
That's so smart.
What if we're not even real, bro? What if we're just puppets and the puppeteer is the government?
You should teach classes.
Like what if we're just robots and the Terminator was really a documentary? Maybe. And what if God is actually just a robot salesman and we're his product?
I don't know about that.
You don't know, or you're too afraid to know?
I don't know.
'Cause the government doesn't want you to know. You guys want to order a pizza? What if pizza's just what the government wants you to eat? Maybe we'll skip the pizza. No, pizza sounds good.